What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're unable to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your iPhone, swipe down from the top right of your screen to access your control center. Here, you should see this focus button. Tap Focus and your default focus modes such as Do Not Disturb, Sleep or Work will show up. You can turn any of those modes on or off from here. You also have the option to enable it for 1 hour until the evening and so on. These schedules can be customized in your settings. Tap Settings in your Focus Modes control center. This will allow you to make sure that your focus mode schedule is set correctly, to prevent Do Not Disturb from being enabled again in the future. If the problem persists, make sure that your iOS device is up to date and restart it from time to time to prevent any software-related bugs. In your General Settings, select Software Update. Download the latest update before restarting your iPhone. This will restart all processes and make sure that Do Not Disturb will be disabled in the future. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.